Do you want to create stunning AI images for free? Let me show you how.
Many people think creating AI images is difficult. But with the right tool, it becomes very easy.
Leonardo AI is a powerful tool for creating AI images. Leonardo AI is a powerful tool for creating AI images.
First, create a free account on Leonardo AI. After signing up, you will see a clean dashboard. Click on the text-to-image option to get started. Now write what kind of image you want to create. Leonardo AI will convert your words into images.
Always remember, better prompts give better results.
Try to add details like style, lighting, and mood.
Leonardo AI generates multiple images at once.
You do not need any drawing skills.
You can control image size and quality.
Leonardo AI gives free daily credits.
You can practice every day without paying.
There are different AI models available.
Each model creates a different style of image.
Choose the model according to your needs. Leonardo AI is perfect for anime images. It is also great for YouTube thumbnails.
Faceless channels need strong visuals.
World. You do not need a camera.
You do not need Photoshop skills.
You can also improve existing images. You guys watch Reality Stars.
AI helps enhance image quality.
This is useful for banners and backgrounds.
You can learn from community prompts.
You can learn from community prompts.
Save good prompts for future use. Your results improve with practice. AI works best with clear instructions. Negative prompts help remove errors.
You can download images in high quality.
Use these images on social media. Leonardo AI is free for creators.
It is perfect for students and beginners.
You focus more on ideas.
Even mistakes help you learn.
Your designs start looking professional.
You save money using free AI tools.
Better visuals help grow your channel.
Better thumbnails bring more clicks. More clicks mean more views.
This is how creators grow faster. Leonardo AI is powerful and easy to use. It is perfect for faceless creators.
You should start today.
Learn and improve every day. AI helps unlock creativity.
AI supports your creative ideas.
You can become a digital artist.
Anyone can create AI images. En dan voor ieder aan het huis je wanting to have to your slides or your places.
You just need to try.
Keep learning and keep creating. Chris Spidey friends to put your site.
Your AI journey starts now.
Create amazing AI images for free with Leonardo AI.